Hi, good morning to all. This is Sony, and today we are discussing about pi, one of the beautiful symbols of mathematics, that is pi. So, brief history of pi. Pi has been known for almost 4000 years, but even if we calculated the number of sounds in those 4000 years and calculated pi, to that number of places we should still only be approximating its actual values. And here's brief history of finding pi. The ancient Babylonians calculated the area of circle by taking 3 times the square of its radius, which gave a value of pi equal to 3, and one Babylonian tablet indicates a value of 3.1254 pi, which is a closer approximation, and the Rhind papyrus gives insight into the mathematicians of ancient Egypt. The Egyptians calculated the area of circle by a formula, and that gave the approximate value of 3.1605 for pi. The first calculation of pi was done by Archimedes of Syracuse, 287 to 212 BC, one of the greatest mathematicians of ancient world. Archimedes approximated the area of circle by using the Pythagorean theorem. To find the area of two regular polygons, the polygons inscribed within the calculation, the polygon within which the circle may circumscribed, and since the actual area of the circle lies between the area of the inscribed and circumscribed polygons, the area of the polygons gave upper and lower bounds for the area of the circle. Archimedes knows that he had been found the value of pi, but only one approximation within those limits. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist and who developed the theory of relativity, and one of the two pillars of modern physics. His work is also known for the influences of the philosophy of science. Born 14th March 1879, Stephen William Hawking was an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and author who was director of research at the Center of the Theoretical Cosmology at the University of Cambridge at the time his death, 14th March 2018. History of pi in maths from ancient to modern times. Pi day, mysteries of pi day 3.14, and the secret of pi. It is defined as the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Pi, or symbol of form pi, seems a simple enough concept, but it turns out to be an irrational number. Measuring its exact value in inherently unknowable. Computer scientists have calculated billions of digits of pi, starting with 3.1415192653589799323 and so on. But because number recognizable patterns emerge in the succession of its digits, we could continue calculating the next digit and the next and the next for millennia, and we had still have no idea which digits might emerge next. The digit of pi continue their senseless procession all the way of infinity. The exact origin of its discovery is known, but may have arisen from a hunt led by the Babylonians or the Egyptians. Humans have been searching for the ends of pi's infinite digit for 35,000 years. Thank you.